It barely touched the antenna.
Is it touching the antenna?
Not too much. Oh, actually, it's not touching the antenna.
Get
We'd
all
be-
the way to the top.
We'd be hearing thack, 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 after thack,
Whack, whack, whack.
thack, thack, thack.
Okay, let's go upstairs. Here you hold this.
Okay.
I like this.
Look at that building! Jeez!
It's not that.
It's pretty tall. It's bigger than the mall. Well, this isn't the mall, but it's bigger than the mall at least.
Higher.
Oh my god.
I bet if we just
The camera's kind of sideways. It's hard to keep it. It's hard to keep
I feel like I'm gonna butt my head.
Told you we'd be
The
hearing.
antenna.
Well, not everything at least.
Hey, I don't think I can go through here. Look,
Oh no!
I'm scared.
Just park somewhere here. We can go up from here.
I don't know.
We can go by No! Oh, Mom, you just made the clean cut. You just made the clean. Oh no! Never park here. Well, not actually, but if there's no space in the main area, you're dead if you own a car like this. Ugh, the antenna.
I'm scared. I'm gonna hit the top.
I'm giving them a side angle. Like what's actually around here.
I know I'm gonna hit that sign.
Oh no! Oh! That was close. That was close. Okay. Just park here. And the stairs are back there. We can get it from back there, okay?
This was a bad idea, Pablo.
Uh-huh. No kidding. Pretty sure. See, there's the stairs. Oh, did you hear that sound? Oh, no. Okay, the stairs are right there.
You weirdo. It's almost stand. Where's Candy? Let's get some. Yeah. Go, go, go. Okay, choose one. I think they're up there. Oh, and this one. That's just right there.
Oh, this is
Yeah. That's one. that one? Yeah?
I'm gonna look at it for a bit.
Okay. Don't open it though. You
Yeah.
open it, you gotta buy it.
Got it.
This one's got several in one bag.
Sour
variety.
crawlies.
You should try this one.
Variety. Milk duds, sour crawlers.
You should try the variety one.
Yeah, let's get the variety.
Yeah, that's good.
You would like fried candy.
Oh my god, are you gonna give us a, what's that called? A test,
Yeah, a test.
tasting test?
Taste test. That's what it's called. You forgot what some things are called sometimes. Freeze dry.
Well, to tell you the truth, I am excited to try the candy.
We got the variety pack, so we're gonna be able to test multiple. Well, I mean, we can just break this into pieces to get more of it, but yeah. Look at it's like they expanded.
You just made women math. You can break something into pieces to make more. It's only one thing. Pablo!
Mom,
Uh-huh. The red room.
have your life.
Worst mistake in my life was letting Pablo
Letting me what?
letting Pablo's ideas get in my head. Like, yeah, that sounds really great. Let's do it.
Hey, at least we got a nice rooftop.
We're gonna get a nice sunroof. Look.
We got a nice rooftop.
Yeah, when we blow the roof from the truck. See that car?
Mike's meant for top. Apparently we never started, so I have to eat more candy. Hey,
Reviewing.
freeze-dried candy. This is a variety pack, so we're going to show you multiple. Here is what is presumably, due to its taste, a Airhead.
Describe.
It's got a little bit. That's sour.
Okay.
We have a gummy cluster.
Flavor.
It's kind of undescribable. It's like a mixture of sweet and sour, but it's weird at the same time. Now we have Laffy Taffy. Oh, I bet I won't be Laffy Taffying after this. Or after the trip to the dentist.
Let's see. What's that one?
Some of them are pretty sweet.
Show me the
Some
bag
of
again.
them are sour. We have a lot of candy to still go through. Like the shark right here. There's a shark in the middle. Sharky. I'm only going to take off a piece of its... You know what?
What is that supposed to be, like a gummy?
Pretty sure. But it's pretty sweet. Okay, finally, we reached the Skittles. Skittle. So here we have the Skittles.
Okay.
You can see its insides. Like, look.
Mm-hmm. Okay, ready? Describe the overall experience.
I haven't even described the Skittle itself.
Describe the Skittle itself.
The Skittle, it's like a Skittle, but it's more puffy. You
Okay.
know, it's more air pockets.
The overall experience.
Sweet and sour.
Is it better than the regular kind?
That's a weird question. Honestly, I don't even know.
You tried all those candies in the regular kind.
All the candies. What about that shark one? What about the gummy?
The gummy shark? You don't remember?
No. That was a lollipop, Ma.
No, it was a shark.
I didn't.
Okay, pues.
All those candies except for the gummy
Well,
shark.
that
I think.
variety pack, it was at Penn. You can find it at Penn Square Mall for $18.45.
45 cents. Yeah.
Okay.
Bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.